What's up guys, welcome back to YRN Modelcars and welcome back to finally another video. And today I wanted to do a quick collection video. So just showing the collection as of the start of 2022. So yeah, this is my collection up until everything I collected up until the end of 2021. And you may notice that I have sold a few models which I reviewed on the channel or which I showed on my Instagram page. So yeah, I have sold a few models. I constantly keep rotating the models. But yeah, let's just go through everything today one by one and quickly show you each model. So let's start with the Senna. So up here I've got my very own custom one-of-one McLaren Senna, finished in a Lamborghini color. Actually, this is the color of Viola Pacifié. I don't exactly know how you pronounce it. It's a really nice color. This custom model is based on the top speed model in orange. So this was fully customized for me, repainted. All carbon has been finished with a clear coat, wheels in black, purple calipers, and some other small details on the interior as well. And also had the Senna S logo on the wing end plate. Really cool. Also had a custom plaque for this one made, and I also bought a base for it with the display case. I currently have this display case removed, so we don't have the reflections of it on video. But yeah, really happy with this one. Moving down, we've got the Pagani Huayra BC. This one is by AUTOart, finished in Viola PSO. Really cool model. Really like this one, with the carbon as well everywhere. Really love this model. And underneath we've got the Pagani Zonda F. This one is also by Top Speed, finished in Rosso, Dubai. Really nice color as well. Got this one for a real good price. Very rare model nowadays. So let's move on to up here then with the Koenigsegg. So here we have the Koenigsegg Regera, finished in white. Lovely model as well. And in matching spec we've got the 1-to-1 as well, both AUTOart. Really like the 1-to-1 as well. I'm probably never gonna sell this one. Really like the Regera, and the 1-to-1 is really cool car. Moving down, we've got some McLarens. So first up we've got the 675 LT in Napier green. This one is by TrueScale. It's actually an official McLaren dealer model. Really lovely color as well. Maybe if I turn on my flash. Yeah, it's really cool. Next to that we've got the 600 LT. This one is by LCD. Probably one of my best models in the collection in terms of the overall package. The amount of features, the detail, the price is really astonishing model. And next to that we've got the 765 LT. This one is by GT Spirit. Not a great model, but currently the only manufacturer who makes a 765 LT. Underneath we've got a couple of really cool McLarens as well. We've got the F1 GTR. This one's by Solido. Really awesome model for the price, honestly. You get a really lot of model for the price. And next to that we've got the F1 GT. So it's actually a bit of a custom model by me. I removed the wing to make it look like the F1 GT, which is the road going version of the F1 Longtail. This one is by UT Models. So UT Models actually did make this with the wing. I called it the street version, but it's not really a street version because it has the wing and the GTR interior. Next to that we've got the McLaren Speedtail. So this one is also by TrueScale. Really rare model as well. Official dealer model, just like the 675. Underneath we've got the McLaren P1. This one's by AUTOart. Really lovely spec as well. Some hate it, but it is a really cool spec in my opinion, and I really like this model as well. Next to that, another one, part of the Holy Trinity of course. This one is the 918, and I custom fitted a YRN package on this one based on the Welly. So I actually bought a carbon roof, carbon wing, and the carbon blades on the rear bumper as well, and installed it on this model. Also painted the mirrors in black, also added cloth seat belts on the interior, and this roof is actually removable, just like the real car. Of course the real car has two separate roof panels. This one is in one, but yeah, it's a really cool little model that I made here. Really kind of proud of that one. Next to that we've got the 996 911 GT1. This one is by UT Models, and I actually also modified this one. I actually removed the wheels and reinstalled them, but on a wider track, because UT Models really did make the wheels just sit very far towards it, like the inside. It was just too narrow, so compared to the real car. So I did modify that. Moving down to some more Porsches, we've got the Porsche Carrera GT. This one is by MiniChamps. I think this is an official dealer model as well, and it's a really cool model with real leather seats as well. Next to that we've got the 991.2 GT3 RS, finished in chalk, and next to that the GT2 RS with the YRN package, also in chalk. Both are MiniChamps closed diecast models, but really good looking models. Not GT Spirit quality unfortunately, as it is about the same price range, but still pretty good looking models to have. Underneath we've got a few very special models. We've got the CUK GTR, CUK GTR Roadster, and another CUK GTR Roadster. All three by GT Spirit, and especially the two silver ones are very rare models. Hardly come by any of these for sale. Really proud and really happy to have these. Really astonishing models as well. They really look really very good. And also the black one. This one was actually released in 2021. These are quite common to find, but still very cool model. Really like these. And under here we've got a 1:12 scale SLS AMG. This one is by Premium Classics, finished in Daytona blue. Really cool model. I got this one. This one was actually discounted to about €150. I mean, for 112 that's pretty cheap, and it's even an open wing diecast. So if I just open up the door here, really sturdy. You see all the struts as well. You know, this is 112. This is really cool. Opening bonnet and trunk as well. Really cool model. Underneath we've got the AMG GT Black Series. This one is by GT Spirit. I did a comparison with the North on this one on my channel. Next to that we've got a really rare and sought after model as well, the SOS Black Series in Solar Beam Yellow by MiniChamps. Absolutely amazing model. Well, model quality is not that good, but I mean, it's the only SLS Black Series in the collection, so, and I really like the SLS Black Series, so very happy to have this one. Next to that we've got the SLR Sterling Moss. This one is also by MiniChamps. Again, the only 118 SLR Sterling Moss model out there, so pretty happy to have this one as well, as I do really like the Sterling Moss. And underneath you've got another 112 scale. This is the SLR McLaren, and this one is by Modemax. Really, I mean, it's probably the worst 112 scale model out there, but I mean, I wanted to pair it up with the 112 SLS, so I just decided to buy it. And I also installed cloth seat belts. So the standard Modemax model actually came with Really ugly rubber seat belts, or plastic, I think plastic actually. So I decided to replace those. Fully opening diecast as well, but the detail is really not that great. And next to that we've got a custom 143 scale SLR 722. This one is custom made by the fellow collector on Instagram, and I bought it from him. It's a pretty cool little model. I mean, in 143 I believe there's no SLR 722, and in 118 there's also not, so it's pretty cool to have this one. Based on the MiniChamps actually, with added splitter, the new wheels, license plates, and a few other small details. So that is the collection as far as McLaren, Koenigsegg, Pagani, Porsche and Mercedes. So let's move over to the Lamborghinis and Ferraris. So up on the wall here we've got the Lamborghinis, Ferraris and a few other random ones. So let's just start with the Lamborghinis. Let's start on top here with the Lamborghini Aventador J. This one is by AUTOart Signature. Really awesome model. Also installed my custom plate on there. As the Aventador J is only existing in one car in real life, and it is wearing this plate, so yeah, I decided to replicate that. It's a really awesome model, probably never gonna sell this one. Moving down we've got the LP 700-4, also by AUTOart Signature, finished in turquoise, I don't know exactly how you pronounce that, but yeah, really cool model as well, really awesome. In front of that we've got the LP 720-4 50th anniversary or anniversario, also by AUTOart Signature. Really awesome model as well, very rare. These two are both quite rare. Really happy to have these. Awesome model. Underneath we've got the Aventador S by AUTOart. This is of course the composite AUTOart Aventador. Really cool spec as well, really like this, the white with the brown interior, silver diamond cup wheels, really cool. In front of that we've got the LP 750 SV. Really love the SV, probably prefer it over SVJ, as I really like the design. You know, it has more edges to it compared to the SVJ. The SVJ is more rounded off, so here we have it, the SVJ. This is the SVJ 63. As I said, the shapes are more rounded off. It's still a really cool and aggressive looking car, but I really prefer the SV. This one is by Kyosho and GT Spirit in collaboration. This is a closed resin model, but as far as I know, together with MR, the only SVJ 63 edition manufacturers in 118. Pretty cool model as well, looks really good. And underneath we've got the GT Spirit Audi R8 Green Hell. Not a great model either, but yeah, I mean, GT Spirit lately has been going down. I hope GT Spirit does improve in the future, but it is a pretty neat model. Moving on to the Ferraris then, so let's start on top here with the F12 TDF. This one is by BBR Diecast. Awesome model, really love the spec of this one as well. I mean, just look at it, absolutely amazing. Really like this one, really cool. Underneath we've got the LaFerrari by Hot Wheels Elite. This one is finished in black. Really cool model as well, really very well done model by Hot Wheels Elite. In front of that we've got the FXXK Evo. This one is by Burago Signature. This one is actually branded in collaboration with Tomica, and this color is exclusively released in Japan, so I had to import it, but it is a really cool model. Underneath we've got the Monza SP1 and another Monza SP1, both by Burago. The red one is the Signature, this one is the regular Burago. I did a comparison with these two as well on my channel. Pretty cool budget models. Over here we've got a SLR Roadster. I know maybe it's a bit of a weird place, you know, just underneath the Ferraris. but I didn't really have room in my other display case, and I am planning to sell this one, so I just have it temporarily displayed here until I will go ahead and sell it. Actually, I do have quite a lot of models for sale, so if you are interested in something you saw in this video, you could message me and you know, ask if they are for sale or not. Not all models you see today here on this video are for sale, but some are. And under there we've got the Ford GT, and I actually customized this to the GT, to the Schmie 50 spec. This one is based on a Meister exclusive, so I added gold stripes, the plates. I had custom wheels made, BBS FIR wheels. I fitted those onto the model. Installed a new, I swapped the interior with another Meister Ford GT to make it all black. Installed cloth seat belts as well. Painted the calipers in black. I think that was it. So yeah, really like that one as well. So that's the Lamborghini and Ferrari models. I actually also have a MR Collection 599 GTO, as you saw on my channel most probably. And also I also have a BBR Ferrari 488 Pista. The GTO finished in Rosso Corsa matte, and the Pista finished in Rosso Corsa with the blue and white stripe, the launch pack. Those two models I actually have boxed up right now. Don't have them displayed at the moment. So yeah, just so you know, I do have those, but I will not show them in this video because I usually do not want to go through the hassle to unbox them at the moment. I'll probably show them in the future when I do. So moving down, we've got a few more BMWs here. So let's start on this side. We've got the M3 GTS E92 by Kyosho. Really love the E92 M3. It's probably your most favorite BMW. Above that, we've got the M4 GTS. This one is by MiniChamps. Really cool model. I actually installed new plates on it, and I also installed new kidney grills. Over here we've got the M3 Competition. This one is by Norev. And underneath we've got the BMW M235i Darwin Pro wide body kit. So this body kit is basically made to look like the BMW Vision Gran Turismo. And I do really like the Gran Turismo game, so I'm really quite happy to have something in 118 that kind of relates to Gran Turismo. Really cool. So those are all my models in 118 and a few other scales. So yeah, let me know what you think of this collection, and I would love to hear what you think, and which models you would recommend adding to this collection. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.